What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video. Today, if you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So it's been a while since the last time I did a reaction video. So medyo na busy talaga sa mga travels and out of town. So I was not able to make long form video reactions. But today, may time na ako. So we're going to do a reaction sa SB19, and I'm so proud. Again, I'm very proud kasi nabalitaan ko na this show, itong First Take, ay sikat sa Japan, if I'm not mistaken. Ito yung show na kumbaga nag-i-invite sila ng mga artist at sikat sila sa like one take session lang ng performance. Okay, and they're the first Filipino act to perform in this famous and prestigious na show doon sa Japan. And I couldn't be any prouder sa SB19. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video, and please make sure na mag-subscribe kayo dito, and do follow me on my Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. Okay, so hinaan ko lang yung audio para hindi tayo masyadong baka ma-block kasi. So yeah, let's begin. Let's go.
So this is how it looks like here.
I'm so excited and I'm so nervous at the same time.
One take lang kaya.
Hello everyone, I'm Ken.
Hello, I'm Justin.
Hello, I'm Josh.
Hello, I'm Pablo.
Hi everyone, I'm Stel.
And we are
SB19!
Bakit hindi na Philip yung dinadala ni Ken? 'Di ba? Nagagalit nga kayo sa akin dati kasi sinasabi ko siya si Ken, tapos sabi niyo, hindi na siya si Ken, siya na si Philip. O, ba't dito? Sabi niya, hello, I'm Ken. O, sige, paki-explain niya, paki-explain. Sige nga.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Hey,
Okay, Gento.
you know who it is?
It's the first take, man.
Let's go. I want some, I get some, no later. I woke up, I'm baked dead potato. Got car and shaped me for major, but I stay me, not mediocre.
Look at me, tell me what you see. I Gucci, but the real question is really me. A movie that but not me, not my reality. Is you see, model me, ew. God did it.
Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko
Wait lang. Is it just me? Or talagang may binago sa arrangement, sa musicality, sa beat? I don't know, but there's something na medyo bago. No? It's not the usual Gento. I'm not sure, pero yeah. Or maybe it's just slowed down or something like that. But anyway, it's live vocal, so meron talagang difference from the studio recording.
shower. Medyo ramdam ko ng power, pero kulang pa sa sour mga hater. Kaya hindi na mga bagay-bagay di pwedeng ani sa aking bahay. Himik lang daw ang matibay.
Come on.
Pag tinupag talagang magingay. Gento, basta bingo. Need mo, makublado parang bento. Gento, anong kaya mo? Pilit na hinukay ang bungko na makakita lang ng ginto.
That was beautiful.
Wala pang hinto. Sento, bawal bitaw ko. Mismo, ito kaya mo.
Basta magagagita ng gento. Hindi ko na kailangan lumunok ng bato. Hindi malagdana to. Aandar ang makina ko. Tanging mekaniko. Ay ako, lana mo ni mo.
Iba to, man.
Aming pinagdaan, nagpasok na.
I just have this feeling na may gagawin silang bago. O diba tama ako? There's something na my gut feeling was telling me that there's going to be something na new. I think this is new, yung beat and all.
Ng historiko. So sumatis mo, so niyan pumanik na rito.
Di naman talaga madali. Aminin ko pa man o hindi. Sila pa namang tagumpag. Peke manan kong hap. Di ba listo? Laging alisto. Kahit pa si Mephisto. Tikla pag nag-beast mode ng beast ko.
No rush, I can do this all day.
Hey,
For mentality like all that.
grabe.
With the how to play.
Walang home court sa akin sa salpa kahit away.
Ito na nga wala na magdadagdag. Pagkat kuha ng mga diretso sa Kahit pilitin mo mukha, hindi mo makukuha.
Yeah, I know this isn't over. Di pa tapos ang disaster. Alam ko na I'm in danger. Parang betting you sooner magiging better. Kaya alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Di pwedeng tambay sa aking bahay. Lahat ng mataas.
Okay, wait lang. I'm just in awe, man. Kasi halatang-halata na wala masyado, okay? Little to no enhancements. Maybe reverb lang talaga yon, no? Because reverb is very important, no? In terms of kahit nga sa karaoke, kahit sa saan, okay? Performance sa stage, live, reverb is very important, no? But man, I'm just in awe. I don't know why, but bro.
Sunugin ang matuto ng mga delay.
Dito basta bingo.
Iba talaga ang style, no?
Parang bento, gento, ano kaya mo?
Pinitangin ko kayang bumbunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Ginto, kahit na wala pang hinto. Sento, porsyento bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo.
Di ko basta makakakita ng gento.
Hey.
First take, man. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
You know who it is.
Halukain mo na parang gento. Huwag kang hihinto sa ordinaryo. Kahit pa sige hanggang sa magdugo. Di ko basta-basta makakakita ng gento. Gento, 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 gento. Gento. Halukain mo na parang gento. Huwag kang hihinto sa ordinaryo.
I'm just happy that everyone or each one of them rather really found their identity as an artist, no? Yung role nila, yung strengths nila as a performer sa isang grupo, no? As an artist sa isang grupo. And it's very distinct and distinguished na talaga, no? Kung sino si sino si ganyan, sino yung nagra-rap, sino yung magaling sa ganito, sa ganyan. But they are all versatile, no? Alam naman natin, sing and dance, rap. But, again, I'm just happy na talagang obvious yung clarity ng strengths nila ay like super clear, no? Alam natin kung sino si dancer, no? Or sino si rapper, sino yung may tone quality na ganito. So, that's very important kasi sa isang grupo.
Senaryo, kahit pa sige hanggang sa magdugo. Di ko basta-basta makakakita nito.
Come on. Come on. Ain't that. Let's go.
Well, to be honest, yung pag-umpisa, because it's just one take session, no? Na-feel ko rin na medyo kinabahan sila. Siguro ako din kinabahan, no? But, at the end of the day, grabe na yung experience nila. And I know na pag kinabahan ka, it means that you're really passionate about what you're doing. And that's a very good sign, Ang kaba po, no, as an artist myself, ang kaba po ay napaka-importante, no? Because it keeps you in check sa sarili mo na, before the performance or during the performance, it keeps you in check na you have to do it well. Or, may mga bagay na kailangan kang kabahan talaga, no? Especially pag mag-perform ka. Because, too much na parang chill ka lang, walang pressure, parang hindi ganun ka ganda yung magiging resulta. But, pag kinabahan ka, pag di mo naman din siya makontrol, parang it's a disadvantage. Pero sila naman, no, sanay na sila sa kaba, they're able to control it already. And I think they really did well. Grabe, ang galing nila. Grabe.
That was nice. That was amazing.
Okay. Galing. Galing nila, man. So, So yeah, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.